everything. Let's tell the team members we're on live now. Gonna look for the end of day swings, of course. 1 second here. TikTok live now at everyone. All right, so yeah, I just tell the team members we're on live, and honestly, I've been waiting on a couple trades pretty much all day, and we finally, at the end, well, almost at the end of the day, we finally got it. Basically what I saw here was this clear move down of no consolidation. I've been waiting on this one pretty much all morning. You can even ask the team members. I sent it in the chat. But yes, we ended up breaking above our top wall here, and we finally pushed up to this empty space. So it worked out great. So yeah, I kid you not. You get even, you know, some of the team members are like, yo, there's just no trades. And yeah, we were in shop. We finally broke outside this wall here. 1 second here. I do have to get my charger. So 1 second, I will be right back. Actually, should be right here. 1 second here. Yeah, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys. 1 second here. So yeah, like on days like today, I mean, of course, I wanted, you know, I wanted to call out more trades. I wanted to do a lot more things, but we have to take what the market will give us. And today, the market decided to give us PLTR. And I mean, obviously, I do have a couple other trades that I'm ready for it to happen. But yeah, as you can see here, yes, clear move down, no consolidation. We ended up breaking above our top wall. You can see what? PLTR. So you can see, yeah, I was waiting on this one pretty much all day. You can see the before here. Also, you can see the aftermath. We did actually hit that final TP as well. So yeah, I was waiting on this one, what, 30 minutes after market opened. We didn't get this till about, like, what, 30 minutes ago or so. So yeah, trade worked out nice. Yo, Tina, what's up? Good to see you. So yeah, we'll take a look. Hold on. So yeah, you know, not a bad day, not a bad day. 1 second here. I'm trying to make sure this screen is clean. All right, so PLTR did us really good. Let's take a look here. Banked on Diz and Dump. Yo, fire. Yeah, keep up the great work. So hold on 1 second here. So what, you guys want to see CAT? Honestly, hold on. Let's look at NVIDIA really quickly. NVIDIA. Oh, we're very close here. Honestly, I'm done with the day trades. I don't want to take anything else. Unless we can somehow, some way get a decent move. But yeah, I think I'll just stick to the swings as of right now. PLTR did exactly what I needed to do in a very short amount of time. So yeah, that was great. All right, so now let's go over this. Yo, Aaron, what's up? Day started at Starbucks. Oh, dude, I know, man. So yeah, we were pretty much staring at these charts all day. Didn't get anything until, what, just now, which is perfectly fine. Now it's time for the swings. All right, CAT, let's see here. When is earnings for this? Okay, August. All right, so as for that, let's go through this weekly time frame, and then we'll break it down on a lower time frame as well. SEDG, I will take a look there. Bartman, what's up? IQ, XYZ. Yo, Josh, what's up? So yeah, Tesla. Yeah, we'll go over Tesla too. So yeah, we do have earnings after close as well. CAT, it doesn't look like there's anything to stop us to this upside. That's what I'm currently seeing there. We could break this down on a lower time frame. But yeah, personally, it doesn't look like there's anything to stop us. I will be completely honest. Maybe on this lower time frame, we could possibly break it down. So what I'm seeing, yes, we could build some structure here, tap into this empty space there. We also could do this. So yes, you can see here what? Top wall there, bottom wall there. We break under here. There is empty space down to what? That red candle. So yeah, I do want to see how things will play out. Personally, yeah, to the upside on that higher time frame. Not really anything to stop us there. And no, I'm not telling you guys to get into any of these trades, so yes, please do your own research before doing anything, of course. What, XYZ, CDG, and then we'll take a look at, what, Disney? Yeah, okay, cool, Diz. All right, so for Tesla, PLTR did amazing. Great trade. Also for Tesla, and I think, yeah, we did this on a 4-hour. What looks good to me, and yo, Natasha, what's up? Roku, yeah, I could have to take a look there as well. So there's 2 possible outcomes on Tesla. We do have this. So if we do somehow, some way break above, I could see Tesla going up to that, what, 341. That's where I personally have it. I also see this. Good to see. Thanks for liking the live stream. Really appreciate it. All right, yeah, that looks good. We also have this. We end up breaking below this bottom wall here, this 326 area. We could potentially drop into that empty space to this downside. So both ways, they actually look really fire. So yeah, we shall see how that's going to play out there. Right now, and you know, this looks like a, you know, a regular trade for me. We are inside this box right now, so just gonna wait, see how everything's gonna play out there. But I will say, Tesla has a mind on its own, especially on what earnings plays. So yeah, I got to be very careful on that. All right, so PLTR, that did good. XYZ, let's take a look here. And I know this has a lot of lines. It looks crazy. And more of the story for this one, we did end up tapping into this final TP for me. Let's break this down and get rid of all this. There's also this. Yeah, no worries. If you have any other questions, just let me know. You can join the free chat. Also in the Discord, we have the VIP chat as well. But yeah, just join the free chat, see how you like it. If you don't want to join, no worries at all, though. All right, so XYZ, yes, that TP did end up hitting there. As you can see, what I'm looking at next is this. And I get it, you know, we aren't close to this entry yet, but we do have a nice top wall here, decent bottom wall there. If we can somehow, some way, excuse me guys, my bad. All right, so yeah, if we can somehow, some way break above our top wall here, we do have empty space up to, so let's see, up to that, what, that 120 areas, and it doesn't look bad at all. So yes, that would be my next move on that. Right now, I really wouldn't want to chase into anything, but yeah, that move ended up doing well. Definitely took its beautiful time, but yeah, it did pretty decent on that. All right, so yeah, that was on what, XYZ. Also, let's see, so SEDG. So as of this, we ended up, so honestly, I would like to retry this if we could get that 1 week close over. As you can see, yes, sellers ended up taking control here. We ended up breaking back into this box. So right now, yeah, we still have the empty space. I do want to see if we can get that weekly closure over though. So maybe on a Friday, that would be decent. We'll have to see how that plays out. All right, so XYZ, we did that. SEDG, okay. Disney. ORLY, okay, hold on, let's see. ORLY, we'll take a look there. Do want to see Google as well. So yeah, okay, Disney. Okay, yeah, so it definitely did end up going up to that upside. Okay. IQ. OXLC. Oh yeah, I can't even type right now. OXLC. All right, perfect. And then yeah, we'll also do TTD. Yo, Wave, what's up, man? Good to see you guys. Gals, really appreciate you all for tuning into the live stream. Got some new music today, so All right, 1 second here, 1 second. My bad, I was reading all the chats here. And also Roku, got you. 1 second here. Roku and BA, all right, cool. All right, so for TTD, hold on, let's take a look. Let's go to this 24-hour time frame first. Honestly, yes, you know, we do have the bigger move that we want, or, you know, that I want. You can easily see, yes, we do have this clear move down, no consolidation. This is what I would want to the upside. And yeah, we do have, what, a nice, beautiful top wall here. Or not the best top wall, but still a little consolidation area. We can get above here. So wait 1 second here. Get above there. We have empty space up to this, what, 113 area. And yes, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we do have that empty space that we like. So yeah, actually looks really good. So yes, right now, what are we doing? We're inside this box. There's nothing for me to do. Just gonna wait. Do want to see if we can end up getting that nice closure above. All right, so yeah, that's on TTD, yes. Let's see, so Tesla, we did that. We'll go over OXLC. So yeah, I do want to look at some more trades too. Weekly charts. Okay. Hold on, let's see here. So yeah, I can clearly see that we are, you know, dropping. Let's go and look into this. Okay, actually, yeah, this doesn't look too bad. I will be honest, I haven't traded this before, so I would have to look at the contracts, things of that sort. But yes, first thing that I look for inside my Discord, empty space, clear move up, no consolidation. As you can see here, we do have what? Top wall is a very, very good bottom wall. So yes, under this bottom wall here, we have empty space all the way down until where? So you can easily see down to this 313 area. So yeah, right now, yes, we are still in consolidation. I'm not going to do anything, just going to wait on that. Looks really, really good, actually. So yes, clear move up, no consolidation. We end up breaking below this wall. We do have that empty space there. That looks really good. So yeah, we could end up continuing down. Just going to wait on that, see how everything will play out there. All right, so that was on what? OXLC. Also, Roku. Looks like that one of those TPs ended up hitting, but let's go ahead and get rid of this. And yes, we look for the same play each day inside of our Discord. You can see the play we literally just hit, PLTR. Before, we were waiting on this one all day, the after. So yes, you can see before there, the after, it looks amazing. It was a very good trade. We've been waiting on that since this morning. See what one member did. PLTR, perhaps a French toast. All right, so now, so yeah, all these trades are going to be exactly like, yes, Roku, there is a little bit more empty space above us. So yeah, a lot of these trades. So yes, if you want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, you can join the free chat, also the VIP chat as well. Everything is in the link in the bio. Just make sure to do your own research before doing anything. But yes, link is above for the Discord. You can see where we post all of our setups. You can see either they work or they don't. You can see PLTR just did really amazing. And yes, this was a setup that we ended up having. Posted this in the chat. And yeah, this was the only one I posted. I posted a couple other ones as well, but I was waiting. Obviously, we're in shop today. There was nothing for me to do except for just to wait. I told the team members, of course, you know, I wanted to call out multiple trades, but I set my alerts, walked away. You can see once that alert ended up happening, we took the trade, and that ended up doing pretty well for us. And yeah, if I had to get stopped out, I would have gotten stopped out. That's perfectly fine too as well. So SPX, cool, gotcha, no worries. New to trading, do you like? So I will be honest, no, I mainly trade options in my Discord. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me. Futures is cool too, so I do trade some futures a little bit here and there. But yeah, I mainly focus on the options. All right, so for Roku, what I can see here, yes, there was that empty space above us that looked really good. There's also this decent move here too. So yeah, what I can see that, you know, doesn't look too bad. Top bottom wall here, you could easily see, yes, we break above our top wall. We have empty space all the way up until that green candle here. So yes, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. And yes, that is the empty space here. So yeah, right now we're in this box. There's nothing for me to do. Just gonna wait. As you can see what happened here. We're in consolidation. Why do I not want to get into this trade? Because we're consolidating. I don't want my contracts to decay. If I would have gotten to, you know, calls at this floor, obviously, yeah, it would have been nice, but we're still stuck in between these two levels here. So yeah, just gonna wait. Just like POTR, I didn't chase into this. I told the team what I wanted, and yes, we had the clear move, no consolidation down. We were all the way down here, this 149 area. You can see we waited, we got that entry, and boom. Yeah, that was pretty much it. So I will be honest, a lot of days when there's no chop, it's a lot better because, you know, a lot of our trades happen a lot faster. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We were in chop, nothing else. I'm gonna wait for the swings now. So HIMS and AMD, all right, cool. So ORLY, O'Reilly's. Let's take a look. So yeah, all these trades are gonna look exactly the same here. Let's look. Doesn't look like there's anything to stop us to this upside if we can break above. But yeah, this is not something that personally I would want to chase into. But yeah, I will say, yeah, there is box there. If we somehow, some way break above our top wall, we could end up continuing. All right, so now AMD also, let's take a look at HIMS. So yeah, I think HIMS went pretty wild today. And also AMD, hold on, let's see here. Let's go down to this 1 hour chart and break this down. Let's see. Let's go down to a 5 minute. Oh wow, okay. So AMD, honestly, there is some empty space below us. So 1 second here, 1 second here. And yes, what I mean by this, of course, right under us, we could end up falling under. I wish this would close like that. That would be decent. And yes, under us, you can easily see we do have this empty space. So yes, clear move up, no consolidation. We break under this level here. We don't have any resistance to down there. From the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So yes, this is what I want here. And yes, all the trades are going to be exactly the same. I think on the 30 minute it does line up, or 30 minute under this, what, 157.78 area. So yeah, it looks really good. So yeah, I do want to see if we can get that closure like that. Doesn't look too bad. All right, so yeah, that was on AMD 24 hour. We could end up also trying up to here, up to that, what, 164. So yeah, do want to see how everything's gonna play out. I'm personally done with the day trades though. I'm not getting into any day trades until tomorrow. So I'm just gonna get into some swings, see how that's gonna play out, and that's pretty much it. All right, so now, AMD also, what, SPX2 as well. All right, so pretty much same thing, and IQ, got to go over that too as well. All right, hold on one second. I want to change this. One second. Yeah, it's just some random playlists. Alright, so yeah, SPX, honestly, let's go to a lower time frame. And let's see. Hold on. My bad, just trying to find some some better playlists on this. Alright, so SPX, personally, it looks like, you know, we're just going up. Let's go to this 1 month chart here. Doesn't look like there's pretty much anything to stop us from what I can see to this upside. Personally, you know, I don't chase into plays like this just because I look for the same setup. And, you know, that's really what works for me. Could we potentially go up and continue? Absolutely, we definitely could. But let's take a look. Open We Are Your Friends soundtrack playlist. Okay. After the live stream, I'll take a screenshot of that right now. All right, cool. Thanks for the recommendation. Yo, McCain, what's up? Got you with IWM. Yeah, no worries. 1 second here. Yo, well, thanks to the followers. Really appreciate it. All right, so yeah, it looks like there's nothing stopping us. Personally, what I would do here, and I get it. So there's not really a setup for me yet. We do have this empty space, so yes, clear move up, no consolidation. And what I can see here is, yes, if we can build some structure, maybe a nice top wall, a nice bottom wall here, we could potentially drop it to the empty space down there as well. So it doesn't look too bad for that. All right, so that is on what? SPX BA. We'll have to see as well. Do you play on? So yeah, if the play looks good, I'll definitely swing it. So yeah, you could see, and yeah, either the lotto plays. So yes, the lottos are going to be either they work or they don't. And if they work, cool. If they don't work, that's perfectly fine too as well. You can see, like what? But yes, you all have to do your own research before doing anything. So please do your own research, of course. So yeah, I do like the plays. Obviously, they're going to be like, setups that, yeah, if they hit, cool, great. If they don't, that's perfectly fine too as well. You could see the befores, the afters. This is like, that was just like one plays on earnings as well. See what we did there. But yeah, they aren't our regular setups, but I will be honest, if there's a play and it has earnings and it's a great setup, oh yeah, I'll definitely take it as well. All right, so now let's keep going here. Dang, yeah, we have a lot of earnings today, actually. All right, so BA. I do like how we are, I do like how we're in this empty space here. I do want to see how the end of day would end up holding if we can potentially, hold on, if we can somehow potentially finish this move, end of day. But yeah, if we go back to this box, definitely no entry. But yeah, if we can somehow continue, it looks good. We do have what? Earnings is on Tuesday of next week for that one. All right, so now let's keep going here. 1 second here. All right, cool. 1 second here. All right, so now let's keep going here. So that was on what, BA. Also, you guys and gals wanted to look at Tesla and Google earnings. Okay, so for Google, TGT, no, I did not. Okay, IWM as well. We gotta go over that. So we did TTD, IWM, a couple other trades. All right, so yeah, for Google, what I see here, and it looks good. It still looks decent. What we have earnings right after close, I believe. Yeah, so after close we have that. What I am looking at here, and this is, hold on one second here, that if we can somehow finish this move, we do have that empty space above us. I do like, you know, my final TP is at what, 199.97. But if we drop though, so yeah, there is a possibility that we could end up dropping. I do have that, what, 179.13 area. But yeah, I do like to see if we can finish that move into that empty space to the upside. So yeah, we shall see, we shall see. All right, so now let's keep going here. Also, what else do we have? So we have NASDAQ too. Yeah, that's gonna be wild. AAL. Okay. Yeah, actually, I want to take a look there as well. We'll take a look at all these trades here. Wait, hold on. Give me a second here. AAL is tomorrow before open. Hold on, give me a second here. Oh wow, that looks really, really good. Honestly, you know, what I can see here is this. So yes, we do have this. Clear move down, no consolidation here. We could potentially, and yes, potentially, break above our top wall. Nice bottom wall here. We break above here. We do have empty space all the way up until what? This 1639 area. So yeah, it looks decent, looks really good. So yeah, that's on what, a 1 week chart here. Let's see. It actually doesn't look too bad. So yes, there is that empty space that looks good. Right now, it actually doesn't look too bad. So yeah, that is on what, AAL that has. So that's before open. Pretty nice. All right, so AOK, yeah, we'll take a look there as well. AOK actually doesn't look too bad here either. It pretty much lines up the same. As you can see, so pretty much same exact thing. So yeah, we do have this empty space here. So yes, clear move down, no consolidation. And of course, yes, right above us, we could potentially go into this empty space here. And if we do that, it looks good. So I would love to see that 63.39, that 71.23 area. But yeah, we'll have to see though. Could we end up potentially going down? Absolutely. So we definitely can. We do want to see how that would end up playing out as well. So what, that is on ALK. Let's see. Actually, yeah, it doesn't look too bad though. The 60s, 62s. Actually, yeah, that actually doesn't look too bad. Yeah, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. So yeah, waiting to the end of the day for pretty much all these trades here. But yeah, AOK does look pretty good too. Doesn't look too bad. All right, so now let's keep going here. All right, cool. So now let's take a look. So AOK, we had what, Google, was it LQ or no? I think, yeah, IQ, I think. All right, so as of right now, let's take a look. So let's go to this 24-hour time frame and let's break this down here. One second. Oh, actually, yeah, this doesn't look too bad. And yes, each trade is going to be exactly the same. In our Discord, you can see, oh yeah, that looks decent. So yes, all of our trades are going to look exactly like. You can see what? That random play there, DAL. You can see how we pretty much call out trades. HOD, DAL. You can see what a few of the members ended up doing here. So, boom. So yeah, that was what, earlier this month here. But yeah, you can see what we also did just today. PLTR before, also that aftermath there. Looks really good. So boom, yes, you can see, yes. We end up breaking above that wall. It looks really good too. See also PLTR, Put Brothers. And yeah, we waited all day for this trade. And yes, this is why we wait. Once we get the entry, we'll end up having it. You can see what we pretty much do here. You can look at all these other charts, Tesla before, the after, that actually hit the final TP. So yes, if you want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat as well. So yeah, we'll have to see how everything plays out. Alright, yeah, we'll have to see how everything plays out. Yo, Mike, what's up? Good to see you, good to see you. Dang, there's actually a lot of plays that look really, really decent. So we'll have to see as well. Mike, just join your VIP today. Yeah, no worries, man. So, yeah, we'll definitely be in there. We had a good, first day trade as well, so that was pretty fire. Also, yeah, shout out to Potter Stocks as well. Make sure you all go give them a like. Thanks to that sort as well, too. Alright, so as of right now, alright, so hymns. I know you guys and gals want me to look at this as well. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, just you can always ask me questions. I'll try my best to answer them for sure. Alright, so yes, as you can see here, clear move down. Honestly, this move already kind of happened, I will be honest. So you can easily see, yes, top wall there, bottom wall here. If we end up breaking above our top wall there, we do have empty space, or we kind of already tapped into it. Could see maybe us hitting that 64.17, but yeah, that imbalance already hit there. Yeah, we don't change anything at all. Either the plays work, cool. If they work, great. If they don't, we'll have to see how everything plays out. But yes, you can easily see what happened there. We ended up breaking above. And no, I will be honest, I did end up missing this one, of course. But yeah, we had a couple other trades, and that's pretty much it. Oscar Health, so what, OSCR? Yeah, we'll take a look there as well. Yo, Manny, what's up? Yeah, so I do have a Discord. So yeah, I do have the free version and also the VIP version as well. You can see this is the game space, so this is in the free chat, but you can see what we did here just today. Boom, before the after. And yeah, only one trade didn't end up working out. You can see what we pretty much do here. Yeah, you can honestly join the free version, see how you like it. You can see how we pretty much post setups as well. This is the VIP chat. And yeah, we waited for this entry since this morning. And once those setups happen, then we'll take them. I do love my swing trades though. But yeah, there's chop, there's nothing for me to do. We'll just have to wait, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so actually AOK looks really good. We'll have to see them. Alright, now we'll keep going. So yeah, so you can join the free chat or the VIP as well. Honestly, if you're new, see how you like the free chat, see how you like it. You can talk to the members as well. So yeah, we'll have to see as well. Let me see. Let's see here. One second. He said, "Well, maybe." He said, "All right, cool. My bad, guys. I was looking at all the chats as well." So yeah, it looks like it. I haven't even fully looked at them yet either. Ivy isn't too terrible though. And no, I'm not telling you guys to get into any of these trades. So yes, please do your own research, of course. All right, so now let's take a look here. OSCR. Okay. So I did have something on here already. It still looks good. Maybe I should put my alert there. As you can see, what I'm looking at here is this. Yes, we do have this clear move down, no consolidation there, and right above us, you can easily see, yes, right above this top wall, what, the 1719. We have what, body candle, another body candle there, and also a wick closing directly at the same price. And on a 24-hour candle, I do want that break above. I can see, and yes, that's what we have to the upside. But yeah, don't get me wrong, there is still empty space here, so we could potentially, so I did end up seeing this box too as well. So if we break above here with that 1539, we could potentially see ourselves going up to that 1652 area. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad. We'll have to see. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. I do like that that other entry, that 1719 entry. It also looks really good. All right, so that's there. So that's on, and yeah, it actually looks really good. I do want to see how the end of the day is going to hold on that. One thing here. He said, I got smacked today in futures. Well, what did you get into? What type of setup was it? Was it a 1 hour, 30-minute chart, 5 minute? Let me know. All right, so yeah, a lot of these trades still look decent. So yeah, we'll have to see how everything's gonna play out. And yes, give me 1 second, guys and gals. I'm gonna be back, gonna give me some water. So yes, commercial break. But yes, if you want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP as well. But yes, give me 1 second. I will be right back. Just make sure to do your own research before doing anything. All right, yep. 1 second here, guys. I'll be right back. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back. All right, so oh yeah, I will be honest. So yeah, so for futures, yeah, it definitely has those definitely pop and drops for sure. For me on futures, if I'm trading futures, what works for me is that higher time. I do like trading it on the 1 hour. So basically, how I still day trade, I do like still those, you know, those 1 hour setups, and I just set my target. So yeah, and I will be honest, I can't really have, so on futures I can't really have a break even stop loss as soon as I'm getting in. So I do have to have some breathing room for that play. All right, so now we did Google, we did have that empty space to the upside. IQ, let's take a look here. Actually, still doesn't look too bad though. So hold on 1 second here. It actually looks pretty decent. She said, "Oh my gosh, I took a nap with my baby." That's funny. All right, so yes, my bad, guys. We do have this clear move down, no consolidation here. If we can somehow, some way clear our top wall, we do have this empty space to the upside. And yes, I get, you know, not the best box here. Stay above. We do have this empty space up to this green candle here, which looks really, really good. And yes, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So yeah, right now, yes, you can easily see we do have this empty space. We have exactly what we want here. If we can stay above, it doesn't look too bad. TLRY, okay, cool. That actually still doesn't look bad. AL looks really good too as well. Looks like Oscar health could potentially continue to the upside too. Let's see here. So yeah, actually looks really good. So yeah, as of right now, we could end up pushing to the upside. Doesn't look too bad here. Can you trade on Coinbase? Yes, I'm pretty sure you can. I personally don't. Never really even tried. But yes, you can end up buying on that too as well. But yeah, personally, I just use it, you know, a broker. All right, that's pretty much it. OSCR, that actually looks really good. All right, so now let's keep going here. Yeah, those fees are are pretty crazy, man. If I was going to use Coinbase, I would at least use the Pro. All right, so now let's take a look here. Hold on 1 second here. My bad. I'm just reading all the chats, I swear. Also, I am new to trading, so what is day trading? And so basically, and yes, we day trade and swing trade here. I do like my swing trades since they offer a little bit more to me. But yes, day trading is when I am getting into trades during the day, and I'm planning on getting out that same day. Could be the same hour, the same minute, whatever that is. And yes, you can see what we did just today with the team members I did. See, clear move down, no consolidation, and yeah, we were pretty much chopping all day. I didn't have any other positions ready. I mean, we had them ready, but they just didn't trigger until now. And then boom, you can see the after. And yeah, even the trades work or they don't, you can see PLTR, Put Brothers, you're the best. So you can see, well, shout out to French Toast. Shout out to all the members though. Obviously, swing trading, yes, we like to trade at the end of the day. So yes, the last 30 minutes is when I'm mainly going to get into any of my trades anyways. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so TLRY. And yes, just make sure to do your own research before doing anything. If you plan on joining my Discord, make sure to do your own research. If you plan on doing whatever, make sure to just do your own research, of course, before doing anything. All right, so TLRY, let's take a look here. So what, on Monday? Okay, cool. So what I can see here, this actually doesn't look too terrible. So yes. Easily, we do have this. So as of right now, we do have a nice, beautiful top all there, decent bottom all here. We could possibly potentially go up to this 0.93 area from what I can see if we want to finish that move. Maybe on that 1 month chart we do have a little bit more. So yes, we could potentially go up to that 157 area if it does want to go crazy. So that's what I'm seeing, which doesn't look bad. Looks like we did touch that imbalance though. Still a nice little decent move if we can end up getting that though. All right, so that's there. Also what, LUV? Let me see. So yeah, it looks like all the airlines has earnings. All right, so LUV actually looks pretty good too. So yeah, as you can see here, what looks really good is this. Clear move down, no consolidation here. Once we end up, or obviously, if we can stay above this cost base area, we could potentially go into the same space. My first TP will be that 40-20 though. From entry to exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. And yes, that looks really good to me. Yeah, there are actually a lot of good ones. All right, cool. So yeah, that looks really decent. Yes, we do have what? Empty space. So if we can somehow, some way get above, it looks really good. And yes, all of our trades are going to be exactly the same. We don't change anything at all. And no, I'm not telling any of you guys and gals to get into any of this. So yes, you all have to do your own research before doing anything. Also, AAL actually looks really good too. Hold on 1 second here. So yeah, I do like that weekly chart though. Hold on 1 second here. AAL. Yo, Fritz, what's up? Yeah, I got you. No worries, Mike. Good to see you. All right, so hold on 1 second here. Hold on 1 second here. Wow, AAL actually looks really good too, which is the crazy thing about it. I do like the volume and open interest on it. Yeah, those look actually really good. So yeah, this is on TradingView. So TradingView is how I go over all of my analysis before getting into any positions. Yeah, that actually really doesn't look too bad. 13.5s, 14s. Yeah, those are some lottos for sure. All right, yeah, we'll have to see how everything plays out too as well. All right, so now let's keep going here. Meta? Okay, yeah, I'll definitely take a look at that. No worries, man. Good to see you once again, by the way. All right, so LUV, yeah, a lot of these trades look good, and we have what? All right, cool. AL is tomorrow before open. Yeah, we have a couple good trades that actually don't look too bad. All right, so NFLX, let's take a look there. Also Meta. And yes, if you're in my VIP Discord, I will be in there shortly with the entries as well. Okay. So yeah, let's go to a lower time frame. Try to break this one down. Okay, yeah, what I can see here is this. Doing great. Dude, yeah, good to see you, man. Alright, so hold on 1 second here. Yeah, okay, I do see that. I do see that chart. It looks good. Give me 1 second here. Let's see. Personally, what I like here that looks really good is this. So, yes, as of now, or as of right now, you can see. And yeah, I'm not getting into any trades until the last 30 minutes. So yes, you all have to do your own research before doing anything. I'm not saying anyone to get into any trades. But easily you can see, yes, clear move down, no consolidation here. This is exactly what I want the upside. So yeah, this is what more of a day trade if we can get it. We break above the top wall, we don't have any resistance. Personally, I would love to see if we could try it up to these highs here. From the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. It actually looks really, really good. So yes, as of now, am I going to get into anything? No, right now, because we are in consolidation, there's nothing that I would want to do here except for just to wait. But it looks good if we can somehow, some way break above. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad. One second here. All right, cool. So yeah, that's on Meta. Also, NFLX. What I can see here is we finally dropped, and this is what I was pretty much waiting for here. So yes, we did have this clear move up, no consolidation. We broke under last week, so I'm pretty sure a few of the members are still holding that, but we ended up dropping below. Would love to see. One second here. My bad, guys. But yes, would love to see if we could potentially go into this empty space here. We could finish this move, so it doesn't look too bad. So yeah, honestly, it would definitely take some time if we do end up finishing this move. But yeah, you can see we did have this Potter box, empty space there. We end up breaking below. Yes, it gave us a little bit of trouble, like that rejection, finally dropping down. So if we can get this close like this end of week 2, would be great. Yeah, a lot of these shades look really good. All right, so 1 second here. So yeah, we'll have to see on that. Okay, so that was on Netflix. Netflix actually looks really good. Let's take a look at some more trades. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat, also the VIP chat as well. So make sure to do your own research before doing anything, of course. All right, so right now, what I'm looking at here, still, yeah, we're still in this box. We do have earnings too as well. We could potentially go up into this empty space. So yeah, we definitely could do that. Also, we end up breaking below here. We do have an empty space down here too as well. So both ways on this. Personally, I might just stay away from Tesla just because this one has a mind of its own sometimes. So yes, we'll just leave this one alone. 1 second here. Gotta do something for TikTok. Okay, cool. Got it. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. All right, cool, cool, cool. All right, so yeah, we'll take a look at all these trades here. OSCR. That looks like that's about to hit that, what, first TP as well. So yeah, we'll have to see how everything plays out as well. All right, yes, give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. One more time here. I'll be right back. 1 second here. All right, I'm back. All right, so yeah, that looks like, yeah, that first TP is pretty much hitting already. We end up getting above this top wall. We still have empty space above us too, so would have to be very careful in this. So as of right now, I'm just going to wait on that. It doesn't look too bad. Let's take a look here. Actually, doesn't look too bad. So yeah, we'll have to see. It looks really, really decent. So yes, right now, we do have empty space still above us. We could end up with that nice break too as well. Pushing up to the upside. So yeah, we'll have to see how everything's going to play out as well. So yeah, right now, am I going to do anything? Absolutely not. Just going to wait for all these trades. And yeah, either the trades work or they don't. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I have a lot of work to do inside the VIP Discord. So yes, if you want to join up, you definitely can. You can join the free chat, also the VIP chat as well. Everyone here is pretty cool. You can pretty much look at what we did today, what we had PLTR in this chop day. Worked out pretty well. So yes, I will be working on those end of day swings inside the Discord. You can even talk to the members, look at the testimonials, and see, you know, pretty much what we do here. And yeah, either the plays work, cool. If they do, if they don't, we get tapped out. That's pretty much it. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. I'll see you all later. Have a blessed one in Jesus' name, amen.